podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat to show you one of the most secret passages in Rouen. To find this passage, you have to take Damiette Street, commonly called the Antique Street, and go to number 17. Right next to it, there is a covered passage. Go inside, it's the start of the city's most secret passage, the Anciens-Moulins passage. Head to the left to see where the mills used to be. As its name suggests, the place was previously animated by industrial activity before this was moved to the Cailly Valley following the Robec canalization in the 1940s. Today, we can still observe the intact mechanism of the wheel, as well as the traces left on the adjacent wall. You may know it, but you are only a few steps from Lieutenant Aubert's place, which was the scene of the Bastards' Party. To find out more about this festival with an atypical name, I invite you to listen to my podcast number 5.